Salut les amours, welcome back to yet another vlog. It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day and a beautiful week to have yourself a freaking beautiful week. Happy New Year, Happy New Month, Happy New everything. Oh my goodness. Today is actually the 1st of January. We have officially crossed over into 2024. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I crossed over at church. We had a kesha. It was beautiful. I made a reels. You can catch it up on my Instagram. And it was just a beautiful experience. And I decided, you know what? It's time to get back to vlogging. So today is Monday. The family has gone out. They've gone out. I did not go because I'm not feeling way too well, and I was like, it's best if I just stay home. I just wanted to update you on the fact that I got a new mattress, and this one is a bit higher. It's not a bit, it's like twice as thick as the other one, and you can see like this is the only space we have on this thing, but the other time it was like this. Yeah, and it's so I love it. I want to go work on a new podcast episode. The first one will have this year. It will be up on Wednesday. It's gonna be on the 3rd of January. But before that, this week we're having wait. Okay, this vlog will be up on the 2nd week of January, so just bear with me with these dates. So I'm going to work on a new podcast. I'm doing that from downstairs, but it's so noisy because the neighbors are still going with their parties. So I'll just work on it downstairs and then come record it in here. Let's go. Okay, guys. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my Hello, I have just finished scripting it. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Go check it out. So I want to record. I'm feeling lazy going upstairs, so I'm going to try. I'm going to try and record it from here. And if it's too noisy, then I'll go to my room. So yeah, it's currently 5:01 p.m. How I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting while I'm near you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See when I'm home all alone, and you always stay on my phone. Impossible, don't I can't see how you can bring me so many things after all these years. See my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I gotta protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Hello. You good? It's currently currently 6 a.m. I have just finished a really beautiful tasty sandwich that I did not photograph or videotape, which is weird because I videograph and photograph everything. I haven't been able to sleep and I don't like it. And I feel like I'm having an existential crisis or whatever it is called, and I don't know how to deal because I haven't been sleeping. And it's beginning to get into my head. And I'm having tea in a coffee cup. I mean, eat girl or whatever it is they say. It's just, I don't know, for some weird reason I thought that after I finish like my last paper at school, I was gonna have this restfulness to me, this sense of I can finally relax, I can finally rest, but I have had nothing like that since I finished, and it's kind of insane and crazy to be honest. Today is the 3rd of January, and it's 1 year since my grandfather died. He was my best friend, shared everything, laughs, cries, and I miss him, and I can't help but think that that has somehow to do with how I feel, how I've been feeling, and my lack of sleep. I seriously cannot just like put my mind to rest. And what's even insane is it doesn't matter the amount of sleeping aids I take, I still want sleep. And I am sick and tired of not sleeping. I'm not sure this is gonna make it to the segment of this vlog, but if it does, I don't know, I guess. This is me having a crisis on camera. I guess I've never really shown that part of me, and someone literally DM'd me the other day and they told me that my life is so curated that they sometimes wonder whether I have these moments or not. And I'm like, have you been watching my vlogs? I'm literally always almost crying or complaining about wanting to cry. Okay, I don't know. Life is just weird like that, I guess. You think that after one obstacle you're going to be able to rest, but then that obstacle is taken away and boom, you're still not resting, and it's actually kind of worse than it was before. So you kind of just have to swim through it. I mean, swish, keep on swimming, I guess. But I don't even know how to swim. Can you swim? Do you know how to swim? However, I do know how to ride a bike, so I guess that's that. I don't know. This is Debbie.
Santa. France seems pretty happy. Does he have reason? Denny, you said.
And one notable thing that I really want you to understand is that
oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turns out I'm the next, bro, I'm living through. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Really got it, turning in and giving time. Personal partners still a talking, cause I got rich without. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We don't need to keep it to you, should be right, got no hustle or nothing, so we gon' stick by it. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. You know all the things that you love me, I bring a freak about it. You know I told you, I'm in a different league. I just wanna like to get done. You gon' do to me. 40,000 miles up in the air, all the time I get some Z's. Full cook, quick, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears, cold skin shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, be unspeaking breathing. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta. I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. On $1,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the driver, he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real.
currently 9:45 in the AM. Today I actually woke up at 8:53, so very proud of myself for that. I have done my Bible study, made myself a cup of coffee. Now I am back in bed. I want to watch a few vlogs that I have downloaded offline because we don't have power. So pardon me, electricity said yeah, I'm not about to do this with you guys. Alright, I am all showered, I smell good, I look good, we're going out. So this is the hairstyle I've decided to go with. I really love it. I think it's cute. You remember when I told you guys that when you're about to undo your hair, that's when you like get new hairstyles to try? That's me with this hair right now. But I actually do love it. And yeah, I did break my tripod holder, my phone holder, when I was trying to get that bathroom shot. This one here, I broke it. So what I did is I simply took the one for my ring light and I put it on the tripod. So the things we do for this content creation thing. Guys, we are at the grandma's. We are cooking. We literally came to cook here and eat here. Yeah. Kuna yenye nenda kwa kuku na yenye nenda kwa pilau. Unakata vizuri, mimi na feel tu. YouTube. Wewe tumekata. recipe at this rate. Niandike cookbook. The recipes to make for mom.
Yeah. Lamb.
Lamb, mixed potatoes, bread,
Bread.
chicken.
Chicken.
Look at the way my forehead is. Look at the way my face is sweating. My glasses with the spatter of the oil. Yo, it's a mess. I can't even see properly. I have finished. Wait, I'm tired. I've made stir-fried chicken. It's very nice. It's the one my mom is eating that she really, really loves. And my mom made pilau. We've also made cabbage. And now we're making ugali. And there is also soup. And soda. So that's our menu. Very exciting. Anyways, I have been standing. Now I feel tired. Yo. But it is well. You know, I used to think it was just like in movies, medical movies, they're like, I'm here for my residency. And then I'm like, okay, what is this residency thing? So I was like, okay, let's Google a bit. Run an internship, the ones you cried, 3 months unpaid internship, only years. This is after you complete your residency, they just don't take you in like that.
You need to do
You need to do your residency to show that you actually know what you studied. Imagine.
Because most of the time they send you in hospitals in remote areas.
Yeah, where they don't have a lot of
Public
people.
hospitals.
They don't give you options for
No, they send
They
you.
sent you. But for sure you're not going into a private hospital.
Yeah, it's mostly public because they're the ones which are underfunded,
Private
understaffed.
hospitals, maybe they can pay you something.
Yeah.
Public,
Where they're struggling with their needle. But if you do have the connections, like someone working in a private hospital, they can get you in years.
yeah.
But does everyone have that?
And how many private hospitals
Do we have? Thank you.
here maybe?
Yeah, they have tried kidogo. They just tell you you're going to do your residency here. Okay, you can refuse and look for your own residency.
It's like placements. They place
Yeah, it's like placements actually. Did you hear of the story of the lawyer in Kenya who was practicing without actually ever going to law school?
that story.
Yo! And he won all the cases he ever tried. I was like,
Mine was like, he cannot even be arrested.
he cannot. On which grounds?
Lawyers are the real lawyers that he actually managed to beat.
Exactly, he beat real lawyers and you want to arrest him for what?
It's like suits, real life
Exactly. It was giving Michael vibes. Suits makes you want to become a lawyer. It's like, is this the life?
I mean, I'm like, they should have continued.
They really should have.
Yeah.
But they have 9 seasons. No, 9 came out. Yeah, it's 9 now. Very nice.
The best lawyers on TV shows are Annalise and Marvel.
True. And Saul from Better Call Saul. It's actually pretty good. Better Call Saul. It's actually interesting. Yeah, it is. It has around 4 or 5 seasons now. And 1 year at the Law School of Kenya.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you can practice. So people are like, I have spent 6 years in school and you just give.
He's smart.
Exactly.
Personally, for me, maybe arrest him for a few months.
Yeah, or maybe a fine. Yeah, allow him to proceed.
Proceed and maybe do something.
Because he clearly knows what he's doing. Yeah. Yeah. He clearly knows what he's doing.
When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
it's currently 12 or it's already 1, not sure. Anyways, today is Saturday. Today I want to bake bread for my Instagram. Like the recipe we used in the last video turned out so well, and a few people actually asked on my Instagram, around 5ish. So I was like, you know what, let me just make that into its own video. So we're making bread for the Instagram people. And remember, we said no to chapped lips in December. We're also saying no to chapped lips in January. So yeah, so right now I want to go buy yeast and flour. We don't have those, but we have everything else in the house. I think we have a bit of flour left, but I wanted to use it to either make chapati or cry until I made chapati for, or make cookies. The cookie recipe we tried in the last vlog, I did not like it that much. It was far too sugary, and I intended to have them with either milk or tea. So I'm going to attempt another recipe from my head. Hopefully it's gonna work out from what I've seen around. I am a recipe developer after all. My job is to take recipes and make them fit what I like. So that's what I'm going to do with that one. So let's hope it turns out well today. Now I am just heading to go buy yeast, and I'm wearing this sweater. I really don't want to wear pants, but it's a bit cold, but it's getting warm outside. Let me show you. This is the sweater I'm wearing. It's not like the longest, and but I can see like the sun is coming outside. So okay, I believe you can see me. I decided to just change into something that I can stay in the whole day, because I think I'm gonna shower a bit later. So I'm done baking. So pink. I wish I was wearing something pink on top, but the only pink things I have on top, they're quite how do I say, they're quite heavy, and I want something light. So this is what I'm wearing. I love it. I really there's this song that goes like, I really want you to really want me, but I really don't know if you can do that. James Blunt. I love James Blunt. He was actually the top 5 artists on my Spotify Wrapped. The other 4 were like Christian gospel music players. Anyways, I actually worked on my wardrobe, as you can see, but I've been taking things out and returning them in, so it doesn't look as neat. But we have made progress. The only place that's remaining is my official clothing, which are up here, but you can't see. But yeah, that's what I wanted to update you on. I do not feel like wearing a perfume now, but I think I'm gonna spray a body mist instead. I am going with this one, Bare Vanilla by Victoria's Secret. It's the one I'm spraying. It smells really nice. It smells like vanilla, actually. I mean, it is called Bare Vanilla after all. Thank you. So yeah, this is the outfit. I'm carrying a bag of clothes. Ow! I just got my toe. I luckily wanted to carry the black one, but I can't find it. So I'm carrying this little piece. Is it Debbie if she's not listening to music on her way somewhere? I doubt. So yeah, this is the outfit. I wanted to wear pink Crocs, but I don't remember where they are, so I'm wearing Doc Martens, the ones you've all seen before. Yeah, I'm looking for my apron. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna ask whether they've seen it. I'm crumbling. You know, like that moment when you wake up and boom, you're on your menses? That is me right now. I literally woke up and I was like, something's off. And lo and behold, something was off. My skin had been breaking so bad, and I was like, something's gotta give, because there's no way my skin is just breaking this horribly for no reason. And I was right. It was not breaking for no reason. Okay, let's go buy yeast. Let's go buy yeast. I'm so excited to bake. Oh my goodness. Let's go bake. Also the other main reason why I'm baking the bread is because my mom wants me to bake her the bread. So yes. Look at me being a good dog tie and all that. Huh? Okay, let's go.
I never knew there was a love like this before. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. Now that we have come to be, a brand new life I can see. Never thought you'd be a special part of me. No, baby. The reasons are because of you. I can go on and make it through. I can't even take my mind off loving you. And I wanna say, I never knew there was a love like this before. A love like this before, no. Never had someone to show me a love like this before. I know you can't see all the things you mean to me. I'm so amazed that you are mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. If we can work together, maybe this can last forever. This is something that I wanna hold on to. So baby, try to understand. I'll be crazy, crazy. 'Cause you come from me. What's that? And I like the way you walk and the way you walk, the way you talk. Know just what you do to me. You see, I'll never there was no love like this before. A love like this before, no. Never had someone to show me a love. I never had a love like this before. I never knew there was a love like this before. Never knew. Never had someone to show me a love like this before.
Guys, I think I've figured out why the last cookies did not turn out the way I expected them to turn out texture wise. And no, on the taste I know I put in a lot of sugar, but on the texture I think it's because I did not let them rest before I baked them. So for these ones, I'm letting them rest. They've been resting for over an hour. I saw a video, someone let theirs rest for like 4 hours. Yeah, so they're still resting. The bread is also proofing still. Let me show you how they look now. This is how they look now, like after they've rested, like they've flattened out on themselves. So I'm gonna let them rest again, mainly because I want to go shower. So I'll bake them after I get out of the shower, and definitely probably eat. I am starving. I haven't eaten. I am really starving. So yes. Hello, we have showered. I feel really great. I really needed the shower. As you've seen, our bread has proofed for the second time, so I've put it in the oven. I will bake my cookies after I bake the bread, because the cookies can stay for however long. Now I want to eat. I am having ugali, skuma, and beef. I feel like this week I have just been craving like your ultimate, very chill, casual meals. Like, it's making me wonder if I am me. So we have, this is spinach, and we have beef, and we have my blanket that nearly burned. So yeah, bon appetit to me and you when you'll be eating, that is. I'm happy whenever I'm about to eat.
I'm just saying, boy,
the nigga pull up on